Kia ora, hello, and welcome to the Nelson and Marlborough Deaf community. Happy New Zealand Sign Language Week. Did you know that food waste and mulch, like this here, and time, generally about 6 weeks, will create healthy living compost? And with healthy living compost, your trees and flowers will have extra vigor and strength, but more importantly, your vegetables from your garden will taste better. Come along on Saturday the 7th of May and Saturday the 14th of May between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. and join us here and learn how we make this black gold. An interpreter will be here to help you. Nelson Community Compost.